Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset Safari browser on iPhone. If Safari is running slowly, crashing or not loading website properly, resetting it can often resolve the problem. To get started, firstly open the setting app, and once you reach into the settings, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find this apps icon. Select the app, and over here you need to scroll a bit down until you find Safari, and after that select Safari. And over here, you need to scroll a bit down until you find clear history over here. And simply tap to this clear history and website data. And over here, you can also select for this last hour, today and yesterday, or all history. And you can select all history, and you can also clear all tabs beside it by simply toggle it on and select clear history. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.